Hi, I'm Jacob with J&M Pool Company, and today I want to show you our pool equipment pad. So having a equipment pad that is functional and serviceable is extremely important for us. And one of the reasons we go with Hayward is because we get awesome customer support. It's a great product, and we believe it's top in the industry.
How's it going, Jacob?
How's it going?
Good to see you. Hi, I'm Ryan Morrison, Regional Sales Manager for Hayward of the Southeast. What we have here is the brains of the system. This is called the Omni Plus. It's part of our OmniLogic family of products. This is the center of the pad. It controls everything you see here. However, it's all controlled from here. The OmniLogic app allows you to control all light colors, shows, themes, and equipment with the touch of a button.
Hi, my name is Ryan Glorioso. I'm the hydraulic specialist of the Southeast for Hayward. It's great working with J&M because they design and plumb the pool the correct way. This is your filtration pump. So this is what is pumping the water from the pool through your filter plant. We come over to here to the cartridge filter. You know, cartridge filters, they filter the water down to a very small micron and allow for the water to be crystal clear. This right here is our T-Cell 940. It integrates fully with the Omni PL platform over there, hooks right up to it. This salt cell takes salt that we add to the pool and turns it and converts it into chlorine. This pump here, its sole purpose is to pump water from the pool and send it back to the waterfall, what we call shear descent. With shear descent, it's very important to make sure that we have a filter because that prevents larger debris that passes through the hair strainer basket of the pump from clogging up and potentially causing a split in the waterfall itself.
My name is James Hollis. I'm the District Technical Manager for Hayward for Tennessee and Georgia. This is our gas heater made in Nashville, Tennessee. This heater, just like everything else on this pad, can be controlled by the Hayward OmniLogic phone app. You can set the temperature that you want, and if this heater will go to work and get it to where you want it to be.
I just want to thank these guys from Hayward for coming out today. We have such awesome support from this crew. As you can see, J&M has the support, the expertise, and the talent to handle any issue you may have. So give us a call when you're ready to build your swimming pool.